Well, dear my students, I am again here with more problems on moment of inertia. Here, there are these 7 discs, each of mass m, radius r. These 6 are touching this disc, central disc. So you are asked here to find the moment of inertia about an axis passing through point P and normal to the plane of all the disc. Means the acceleration normal to plane of chord. Mass of each is m, radius r, all have same mass and same radius. Is that clear? So, moment of inertia about an axis passing between normal to plane of phenomena, that I will be actually ICM, IO plus m into h square, m into h square. Now what is IO? First of all, this thing. What is IO? This IO, moment of inertia disk, plus moment of inertia of every disk about this center. So here IO, in fact, in my opinion, actually this radius r, so mr square by 2 to central disk, plus moment of inertia of the disk about this, उसके लिए हम क्या लेंगे थ्योरम पैरेलल एक्सिस. Thorium parallax is again the same thing, that is moment of inertia of one disk mr square by 2 plus m into 2r square, and they are 6 number, 6 है ना, इतना एक का है, and they are 6 number multiplied by 6. That way, if you solve this, you will get mr square by 2 plus 6 into mr square by 2 plus, sorry, r square here, 4, 6 into 4 mr square. This total is 7 mr square by 2 plus 24 mr square. If you add this 7 mr square plus 48 mr square upon 2, 55 mr square upon 2. Please be strong in your thinking. Don't get afraid of any problem, dear friend. Who, by doing problem, you will retain the concept you have learned. Retaining is must in the brain. That is not cramming here. Practice makes a man perfect. So, actually, when I saw all these problems first time, I myself was puzzled from where this question are. मतलब थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है. अब ये वैल्यू यहाँ रखें. व्हाट इज टोटल मास? यहाँ m, फिर IO क्या होगा? I इक्वल टू 55 mr square by 2 plus 7m. How much is distance from this center mass? mh square. Okay. It is 3r square. By 2r is this, r is this, and solve it. 55 mr square upon 2 plus 9 7 is 63. 63 mr square. Now when you will solve it, you will get 55 mr square by 2 mr square plus 6 126. 2 3 are 6, 2 is 12 mr square upon 2. When you will add 5 and 6, it will be 181. 11 181 by 2 mr square. So this is the answer of this question. So simple. Simply you have to remember theorem of parallel axis, perpendicular, and apply them again and again, again and again. Keep on finding questions from different books. Okay, so this is one question here, which I think you must do again and again. Do 3 times or 4 times at one time, and then revise after 5 or 6 days. Recall the solution. Now, there are some other questions also. There are 3 cells, spherical cell. One is this, another is this. All have same radius and same mass. Spherical cells. Spherical cells. Each of mass m and radius r. All touching each other. Find moment of inertia about this axis, x dash. Find moment of, find moment of inertia. Of system about x dash. These are not circles, these are cells. I told you moment of inertia of spherical cell. And this is like this. Anybody remember here? I think actually I have seen, if you have not seen the video I uploaded in the morning, this I will be mr 2 by 3 mr square. Moment of inertia of spherical cell means hollow sphere of negative thickness is 2 by 3 mr square. भाई तो ये तो सेंटर पास हो रहा है खत्म. इनका जो है यहाँ अलोंग टेंजेंट निकालना. अगर हमारा ये सेल है, इसका ध्यान निकालना हम अबाउट दिस एक्सिस, तो व्हाट टू डू, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दिस ICM plus MH square. Moment of inertia of spherical cell about tangent will be 2 by 3 mr square plus this mr square. So here moment of inertia will be 2 by 3 mr square for this cell. मैं बनाया this spherical band है और plus twice of 1 कितना होगा 2 by 3 mr square plus mr square ICM plus MH square. This is moment through center mass. So how much is this? 2 by 3 mr square plus 3 to 5. So 2 into 5, 3 to 5 mr square by 3. So 10 plus 12, mr square by 3, so it is 4 mr square. So keep on thinking. Imagination बहुत जरूरी है बच्चों, बहुत जरूरी है भाई. Now there is another question asking again competitive exam. हाँ, वो कहता था रेशियो ऑफ रेडियस ऑफ जाइरेशन. क्वेश्चन क्या है? The ratio of radius of gyration of cylinder, नहीं, circular disc to the circular ring. Ratio of radii of gyration of circular disc and circular ring. Circular ring of same mass and same radius. What to find out? The ratio of radius of curvature, radius of gyration of circular disc to circular ring, each of same mass, same radius, around their respective axes. So I told you radius of gyration is numerically equal to the radial distance of point P where whole mass supposed to act, and we have the same moment of inertia about that mass as the actual mass distribution. Whole disk mk square is equal to mr square by 2, suppose k1. तो k1 स्क्वायर जो है इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर बाई 2. फॉर रिंग mk2 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू mr स्क्वायर. तो m कैंसिल अगेन, तो k2 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर. सो k1 अपॉन k2 इक्वल टू 1/2 or not, by r square by 2 upon r square, so it will be 1/2. So k1 upon k2 1/√2, यानी कि 1/√2. ठीक बच्चों? Yes, again other question. ये क्वेश्चन सब बोर्ड में पूछे गए हुए हैं, ये पीएमटी में पूछा गया. Or even teacher should ask in their exam, but problem is that teacher do not teach such things. Next question is that consider a uniform square plate of each side A. एक स्क्वायर प्लेट है ये, each side A. तो the moment of inertia of plate about an axis perpendicular to plane and passing through one of the corner. Moment of inertia of this plate about an axis perpendicular to plane and passing through one of its corner. सपोज यू यहां से पास हो रही है, तो सिंपली दैट I इक्वल टू ICM प्लस MH स्क्वायर, थ्योरम ऑफ पैरेलल एक्सिस. So what is this ICM? I told you moment of inertia of rectangular lamina वो था m/12 into L square plus B square ICM. Here length B square, length and breadth equal to A, तो A square plus A square यानी कि m/12 into 2A square यानी कि MA square by 6 होगा ICM. Then how much is this distance here? H कितना होगा? The length of diagonal is 2A square under root यानी कि A root 2 and this half, so here it is equal to MA square by 6 plus M into H square A square by 2, क्योंकि उसका हाफ क्या होगा? हाफ ऑफ A root 2 equal to A by root 2 square A square by 2. So how to add 6 LCM? MA square plus 2 3 MA square 3 MA square 4 MA square upon 6 यानी 2 by 3 MA square. Unless you practice you can't imagine. प्रैक्टिस करना बहुत जरूरी है आपके लिए. Now I am giving you 2 questions. You try yourself. है भाई, करेंगे आप? So one question very common here, it is a disc of radius r. This radius r, mass m. This disc of radius r by 2 is cut. तो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ रिमेनिंग पार्ट क्या होगा? इसका रेडियस तो r by 2 का रेडियस. तो अगेन यू कैन डू दिस. है भाई, इसका आंसर मैच करना है आपने. है भाई, the answer is here 13/32 mr square. This I is equal to 13/32 mr square. Try this question. क्या निकालना है? मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ दिस रिमेनिंग पार्ट अबाउट दिस एक्सिस. I have done such a question. Ami, this is one question. And then one more question कह रहा है, the moment of inertia of uniform cylinder of length L and radius r about its perpendicular bisector is I. एक सिलेंडर है जिसका रेडियस r है, लेंथ पूरी L है, मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अबाउट एन एक्सिस, मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अबाउट परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर इज I मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया है. तो यू आर आस्क्ड हियर व्हाट द रेशियो ऑफ L by R. L by R निकालना. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म cylinder of length L and radius R about perpendicular bisector is L by R. So you have to find out L by R, ratio L by R. So the answer here for this is this L upon R given answer है under root 3 by 2. Please try these questions at home yourself and try other questions from different books, please. Now I have done this complete, in my opinion, what I want to do regarding moment of inertia. In coming video I will take the topics which relates angular velocity with kind energy and so many things.